I had eaten lunch yesterday. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. He slept for 8 hours last night. She was writing a letter when I came. We have studied English for 2 years. They have lived in India since 2010. I will go to the cinema tomorrow night. He will meet his friends next week. She will finish her homework in an hour. We will have a picnic on Saturday. They will travel to Europe next summer. I was reading a book when I fell asleep. He has worked in a bank for 5 years. She is studying medicine at university. We are living in a small village. They play football every Sunday. I will visit my grandparents next week. He will give me a present for my birthday. She will finish her work soon. We will have a party tonight. They will go to the beach tomorrow. I used to play the guitar when I was 10 years old. He used to live in London for many years. She used to work as a teacher. We used to go to school every day. They used to eat meat every day. I am a student. He is a doctor. She is a teacher. We are friends. They are happy. I love chocolate. He hates spiders. She enjoys reading. We play football. They study English. I have a car. He bought a new house last year. She went to the cinema last night. We had a picnic yesterday. They traveled to Europe last summer. I will meet my friends next week. He will give me a present for my birthday. She will finish her work soon. We will have a party tonight. They will go to the beach tomorrow. I was to the cinema last night. He has had a car for 2 years. She has been working on this project for a week. We have lived in this house for 5 years. They will travel to Europe next summer. I will finish my homework in an hour. He will meet his friends tonight. She will go to the beach tomorrow. We will play football next weekend. They will study for their exams next month. I used to live in a small village. He used to work as a teacher. I have been to many countries in the world. We have been married for 5 years. They have been studying for 2 years. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.